Welcome to Creative Fabrica Studio's tutorial on designing your very own trick-or-treat bags for Halloween. In this video, we'll walk you through the fun and easy steps to create a custom bag print design that will make your Halloween night extra special. First, go to Studio and select Create New Design. For a high-quality print, set the DPI to 300 and make your canvas 9 by 9 inches. With the right canvas size, it's time to add your custom text. Add a name, a spooky message, or anything else that makes your design unique. Studio offers a variety of transformation effects and fonts to make your text stand out. Next, let's add some Halloween graphics. Explore the wide selection of spooky and fun images available to give your bag that perfect Halloween vibe. Once you're satisfied with your design, press Share and then Download. Your design is now ready to be printed onto a bag, and you're all set for a fantastic Halloween night. Thank you for watching and happy designing.